He got his first smallie. Here you go.
What I had this morning couldn't eat that one. Big stairs. Yeah, this is my butt. Just right here, so that's it. Well, going back to the car will probably be the most intense thing we do today. Holy fucking stairs, I'm sorry. Jesus Christ.
It won't be a day in
Yeah, I know, we're gonna have legs of steel when we get home.
I'm caught. I'm caught. Huh? An eagle? Oh, cool. I think the worms are going to do really good here. Yeah, nothing really seems interested in the spinner. You know what I mean?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
It's a fucking pike.
What? Play it, play it, play it.
It's right here. Fucking bring it in.
Shit, babe. Nothing seems interested in the spinner, my ass. Oh, there's my underwear.
Oh, shit.
Were you recording that?
I hit it the instant it whacked me. Oh my god, look at his teeth. Can you help? Can you get the things to get the hook out? There we go.
Oh, fuck. You are so lucky he didn't just snap you. Alright, hold him like this.
Look at that bad bitch. Oh, yeah.
Awesome, baby.
Oh my god, it's pretty.
Alright.
Well, how do I release it? These things just pop open?
Yeah.
Go ahead, bud. Throw a spin out. He hit right here, hun. Like, probably 5 feet out. We gotta get the creepers. Gotta get the creepers. Oh, it's fucking fighting. I got it. Do you know what it is? Smallmouth.
Just huge, Josh had a huge jump. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh, it's a slab. Oh, it's a slab. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that is a real nice one, baby. I got the pliers and the grippers.
A fucking $20 Walmart combo.
Oh my god. It's a nice one.
Oh, we lost our spot.
Did we?
Yeah, almost left there. Yeah, well, it pops right out.
Here, pull her out. Put her out. Yeah.
We got a second Minnesota fish. Biggest.
Are you smallmouth?
No, it might be heaviest. She's really heavy, but. There we go. Probably was just trying.
Good job. Good shit, baby. I got something on. Oh, yeah. Do you want to reel it in? Oh, no, I don't know what it is. Oh. What is this thing? Oh, is it?
Yeah, I haven't been chasing that for like 8 years.
Oh my god, look at its fucking teeth. Those are scary.
Yeah. That's what we ate in the taco.
You were yummy.
Oh. Or it's a salmon, but I believe it's a walleye. Oh. That's awesome. Good job, baby.
Here, I wanna get a better photo. Thank you. Oh. Sweet. He's on to something over here. Look at how cute he is. Holy fuck!
Ear walleye. That's an ear
Sure.
walleye. Take the rod. Take the rod.
Fuck yeah, baby!
Finally! Put the grippers in his fucking mouth. I can't lose this fucking fish. I want to eat him. I want to make him.
You can't.
I can't wait to get the stamp.
I got it. I got him. Fuck yeah!
Finally! Oh,
Oh,
God.
baby, he's beautiful.
Oh.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, I do. Oh, man. You know how long I've been chasing a walleye? Since that one broke me off when I was like 13.
Oh, baby. Oh my god, it's gorgeous.
It's so nice. I think I have my scale in my bag. I don't know.
Do you want me to go look?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll run over there. he's so fucking cute. Oh. I'm just gonna grab the bag. Fuck yeah, baby. Holy shit, it's so nice. I just grabbed the bag. Huh? Yeah. I just grabbed the bag so we can look, because 51. Oh my god, he's gorgeous, baby. All right, where would it be? Big? You don't think you have one?
I was gonna bring it, but I'll
Get the release. Fucking beautiful, hon. Good job. We can go home now? Oh my god, come here, give me a hug. Good job, baby. That was a fight. You did. Oh.
that was so good. I was recording that, right? Oh my god.
No, you weren't.
It just turned on?
Yeah. Hey, I've got it.
No, but I thought I had it when he hit. I turned it off?
I think so. You probably have it when he hit it. But I got it when you were on.
Alright.
So that's why we have two GoPros, remember?
The pubs.
Two Bobos. Hi guys! We're headed to grab brunch. I'm excited. We had a really good fishing trip this morning. Once we're done eating, we're gonna head back, tidy up the place, and then probably head back out to a different area.
Yeah.
Are you a happy camper?
Yeah, I got new species. You got two.
Yeah? Yeah, I never caught the pike or the walleye before. I'm really glad about it. So, yeah. not too bad of an afternoon so far. Guess we'll see if we get anything else. I'm liking these casts I'm doing though. Making me happy. You guys are kind of lame, so I'll bring you up some. There we go. Oh, he's on. Oh, he's on. And he's on. I'll be over once I reel this one in. What do we got over there? Sucks that he doesn't have a camera now. Is that another one? Second one? Same one? Alright. Well, that one's nice. Yeah, they're pretty. Alrighty.
You want to catch one?
No, I'm alright.
Listen to this. This.
One, two, three, reel. Alright. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, you guys. Got these, I believe Max said they're mergansers flying around. I can pronounce that, I promise. Tell you guys, these white roosters. It's the only thing to fish with. That's it. Went out and bought a lot of nice fishing supplies at this Joe's outdoors shop or something. It was very nice. Had a lot of kayaks, canoes, hunting gear. It was kind of like a tiny Cabela's. Something on. I popped it. I don't know. Damn. It was a good fight though. It could have been a smallie. Popped it right here. Couldn't see what it was though. Damn. That hit it from far out. You're on? There you go. What is it? What is it? Oh, what? I'm coming. Reel it in?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a sucker.
Red horse.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Is that a new species?
Yeah.
I think it's stuck on him now. Here, I got the pliers and the rippies. Is that a new species?
Yep.
Very nice. How do you pronounce it?
Red horse.
A red horse. Okay. All right.
Like red?
Red horse.
Horse.
Cool. All right, I'm gonna run back.
The big pike. Get back up. Got it. Alright, you're gonna have to get the... Yep.
It's got a big old mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Open up.
You're your drag, your drag. Yeah, but your drag is like.
What?
Oh. It's like stuck on something.
Can you take photos? That doesn't my pockets. You don't have yours.
Is that a northern pine? Yeah.
Are you actually saying that?
I said, hold on. I said, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Yeah, it's her.
Probably my biggest one. We caught a few earlier.
Yep.
You ever caught any big pike in here before?
We're from Pennsylvania. We just came here. We fished this spot for the first time this morning. She caught 2 this morning, and that's the biggest one so far.
That was really good.
So.
Yeah, the biggest pike I've caught was 36 pounds back home in England.
Yes, indeed. Very old England. Right. Cheerio. Good on you, mate.
Look, a clock. We don't have that in America.
Yeah.
Just in the canal, yeah, it was a heavy beast.
Yeah, that's what we're going for. We got some minnows over there. Gonna get that out, so
You get sturgeon out
hopefully.
Of this.
Yeah.
Big ones there.
You can make your own caviar.
There's like everything in here.
Yeah,
Drums. Yeah.
I'm sure it's filled with it's like caviar, this like sludge.
Yeah, but not, these
Not quite
ones.
so
no.
bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Well, enjoy. That's a good start of the day. For bait, by the way. Just spinner.
just a little inline spinner, like what we would use for trout
They're
mainly, but
giant thing.
yeah.
I'm sure
That's-
timing is part of it. They're hungry now.
Yeah. That's the best lure there is for the most part.
So spinner
Simple.
with a little thing. Yeah, the simple is always
Yeah.
the best.
99% of
Yeah, we
lures
just always
catch
get
the fishermen,
tails.
not the
I was
fish.
fishing with my ex.
The water jetty.
Yeah. And like he
Just,
had a
lot of
fancy
people
rig
fish
and all
for
this fancy
carp,
bait. I literally had half a
over
worm
there.
on
Yeah.
a
That's where they
stick,
go feeding.
and I caught 3 fish in her, and he caught none.
Alright. Good to know.
And I was like, I've like never done this before. What do I do? He like went to the bathroom, like I'm
Yeah.
literally standing here holding a fish. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, let me get you a picture.
Good job, baby.
Well, that's a good start, huh?
Yeah, don't flip.
How long are you guys here for?
Till Tuesday.
The other good fishing spot is Minnesota River off Highway 13.
Highway 13,
I
okay.
don't know if
Ooh.
it's not that far from here, but there's like it's a river and then there's an overwash. It's kind of like a big like kind of reservoir. So you get a lot of crappies, sunnies in there if you're looking for fish to eat. So.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you for the recommendation.
Have a nice day.
Huh?
So the current brings it down.
Yeah.
Over in Britain. Over in England.
Mm-hmm. It's a smallmouth. Oh no, it's a walleye. Yeah.
This Memorial Day
Walleye. Yeah, I hear it. Where are grippies? Grippies? Don't move. What'd you do? Oh, that's the wrong one. Remember? You said that earlier.
No, this is the one that came with the rod.
Oh. Come on.
Doesn't even fucking spin.
Little walleye. Hope you guys can see this. There it is. There it is. Alright, well, they're back. Ooh. Better. looks blind in that eye. Oh, that's just how they look.
Yeah, they had
A reflector?
yeah.
All right, take your time. Take your time. Yep. Let it take that line. Why don't you walk to your right now, maybe? Keep it down. It's okay. That's a big pike. Walk it up, walk it up, walk it up.
I know he's big. And he's fucking
Hey, George!
Give me the fucking gripper now. Oh.
I told you, baby. Take your time, okay? Take your time. Take your time with him. He ain't letting you go, bud. Is it in your hand? Here you go. Easy with him. Watch him. Don't let him. There you go. It's okay. It's okay.
Alright, back up.
Yep. You got it. You got it. Smile. Smile cute. What do you got?
This is my smile, my first one.
That's a good first bike, baby. It's a nice one, baby. That's such a nice one. Good job, hon. Come here. Come here. Oh! Look at the herring.
Heron.
Heron.
Herring is a fish.
Heron. Come here. Come here. Oh, good job.
It just
Boop. It did.
not like a smallmouth where it fucking.
Yeah.
I mean, he was pulling drag, dude. I was so calm. Did you see the eagle flying over earlier?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Take a moment. Do you feel your heart? That's how mine was
No.
earlier.
No, I'm calm as can be.
Really? No, mine was.
No. Deer make my
That's how we fucking do it.
hunting makes me freak out. Fishing, I get.
See, I told you you were gonna get the biggest one. I told you.
Damn, we don't have my fucking scale. I should have measured them.
It's okay.
Oh well.
It's all right. You did it. Hey,
3 species.
53.
53. Let's go, Minnesota.
Minnesota.
This is a productive trip.
We can go home now, right? You're good to go home?
This is such a good drum.
Ah, I love it. What's this coming?
It's a heron.
Is it?
What? Oh, this?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yep. It's a walleye. good. There we go. Alright guys, it is currently 8:30. Pretty out right now. Got the sunset going with the rainbow colors on the sky over there. And a pink hue over to my right as well. Got Max over there. He's going. Hopefully we can get him a pike. We got our minnow rod over to my left sitting with a live minnow on it. Hopefully we can get something. I'm thinking right around now they're gonna probably start hitting pretty good. At least we're hoping.